This video is brought to you by Squarespace. So if you've been subscribed for a while now, you know that every 2 months Funko and Marvel team up to bring out an exclusive subscription box. And with the release of Infinity War, I've managed to get my hands on this bad boy. Look at that. This is an Infinity War subscription box, and it's one of the biggest boxes Funko and Marvel have ever sent me. So there's going to be a ton of stuff in here. And you may know as well that every 2 months I give away these boxes. So all you have to do is comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter, and the previous months will be announced on my YouTube blog thing and Twitter. So if you entered last month, definitely take a peek on Twitter to see if you've won. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. This box is so big it barely fits in frame, and my tripod is fully extended. So let's head on into it and see what this month has to offer. And I'm pretty pumped, and hopefully there is no spoilers in this, but I can't imagine Marvel would do that in their own subscription box. So let's open this up. Oh, holy cow. Are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Look at the size of that pop compared to my hand. Right, okay, oh, I don't know what to do. Right, let me get this out, put that to the side. I'll just get everything out, and then I'll show you what's up. And you can see some art in the box there. They always do that. I dig it. It's nice. All right, let's pull this out the way of the camera without hitting it. Oh, and let's show you just a couple of things what's in here. Right, so we have, from what looks like, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Oop. So it seems that we have, get this out the way, keycaps. 2 keycaps here of Gamora and Iron Man. I think these have probably replaced the patch and pin that they usually add inside of here. So there's the keycaps. I'm guessing you put your key at the top there, and then they act as like 2 little key rings, which is quite nice. I actually prefer them to the patch and pin. I might actually use the Iron Man one, which is quite nice. So yeah, we have that one there. And then over here we have, what is this? A heat changing mug, which I'm guessing is, okay, Thanos' gauntlet there. So cold, it seems to be black, and then hot, it has like the galaxy and the infinity stones that show up. Let's take a peek. Oh, I hate that plastic so much. And here it is. Oh, I'm digging like the dark gold on this. I don't know if you can see that, but the gold in there is quite nice. And there you have it, the Avengers Infinity War heating mug. Very, very nice. I'll see if I can get a shot of that on screen now for you while it's heated. I dig it. That's quite a nice quality mug there. I'm digging the gold as well. Nice. That's definitely going in my cupboard. Next, what is this? What is it? Like a cloth of some kind? 100% cotton cloth. Who is this? I'm guessing it's Iron Man by the red. And let's take a peek. So that is, oh yeah, let me zoom out. Whoa, so that is Iron Man there. Very, very nice. He's got his new suit on, which is pretty dope. And that is quite thin, I'll give you that. So I can't imagine you can use it to like wash dishes and stuff, but having that like maybe on your table or something is quite cool. So yeah, there you have it. And finally, the one we have all been waiting for is the pop. Oh, look at that. Look how big it is. Oh my god. I actually think this is the biggest pop I've ever owned. So this is Thanos with Sanctuary 2, and you can see the series there of all the crew. Pretty nice. You've got Ebony Maw, Proxima Midnight, so you've got some of the Black Order on there as well, and of course the 6-inch Hulkbuster here. But nothing can compare it to Thanos right here. So let's unbox him, and if you're new to the box, basically you get an exclusive pop in every one of these boxes that you can't get anywhere else. So they do go for quite a bit of money on eBay, and I can imagine this one here will sell for quite a bit as well, much like the Hulkbuster in the first ever box. But this one here is absolutely huge. And I have a habit of breaking them accidentally as well, but this packaging seems a lot better. So there you have it. Oh man, he's got some weight to him. Check out that. So he's on the Sanctuary 2 there, he's got his gauntlet showing people that he means business. And if you take a look at the underside there, it's some nice detail. Oh my god. This is actually probably one of my favorite pops that they've released. Hulkbuster was pretty cool, the Wolverine on a motorbike was pretty cool, but this is a whole other level. Damn. What do you guys think of that? And like the genuine like paintwork on him is pretty good as well. Sometimes it's hit and miss with him, but that's nice. I dig it, I dig it. So there you have it, guys. A quick unboxing of this month's Marvel Funko subscription box. Now, they are starting to sell on Amazon from like next month or 2 months time. So they're not going to be exclusive to their website, so you will be able to get these on Amazon from now on. But there is a link below if you want to try and check out their website. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. If you're looking to create a website, then you should take a peek at Squarespace. Squarespace allows you to create stunning, modern-looking sites in just a few minutes. Simply use one of their unique templates and then drag and drop sections to create your own unique styled website. You can now even transfer over your old unused domains into Squarespace so that you can get started on an affordable and powerful platform. Use the link below, squarespace.com/brandandsalt, to get yourself a nice discount.